In this video, I will show you what to do if your Samsung A05 or A04 doesn't want to charge or has some other charging problems. Maybe when you insert the charger, it doesn't fully goes out or it easily falls out, or if you insert it, when you basically touch the phone a bit, it keeps disconnect or it just disconnects itself. So there are two problems usually what could be wrong. First is if maybe your charger cable is simply worn out or something is off, so you can try another charger. So if you got a type C on both ends of your charger, you can insert this one first and then the other one to see if the problem looks identical. If it's identical, it most probably is something wrong with the charger port itself. And the most common problem usually is that there's something basically stuck inside this charger port. It's usually some lint from your pockets, maybe some dust or debris or stuff like that, and it's very common, and we simply need to clean this charger port from time to time. And the materials you'll need are basically a very fine needle like this, a sewing needle. Takes the smallest one you can find basically. If you got a very big one, don't try to attempt this because you can damage the hole basically. And also any paintbrush really. Also I got an air blower like this here, but it's not really needed. So anyway, what we are first going to do is we're simply going to take a few strands from this basically a paintbrush, so just a few small ones. So, and simply insert the strands inside the hole while holding the phone like this, obviously. So, and simply brush them out. So, and we can take our blower, and it uses a lot of high force. So, and these are excellent for doing the job. They can effectively blow out any junk from it very easily, or you can just try with mouse if you if you are stuck. Then if that doesn't work for you yet, maybe the dirt or lint is simply stuck inside, and this is just for easy stuff. So the way we actually clean it is taking a needle like this. Then make sure you turn off your phone. So this metal needle, so you can maybe short something out. And this is what the inside of the charger port basically look like. So at the middle here we got a connection strip basically, and there are small pins here, and we need to be extremely careful not to damage them. And it's quite easy actually to do this, especially if you take a metal pin and try to go near them. Again, be very careful, and that's why you need a very tiny one, because the hole isn't that big really. So the way we are going to take it, clean it, is obviously while holding the phone like this, so it can fall out. You're simply going to take the pin and brush inside the pin, so the needle, just along this outer edge here basically, and brush it out, and we can basically scoop out any junk. Again, get out junk from one side, and then take out the needle and continue for the other side. Again, don't try to go through near this one. Again, make very thin one and don't go near here, because there's huge possibilities that you can damage these pins, and then you are in huge trouble basically. So also we can ask another person to simply hold this light for you and maybe shine inside so you can see better, obviously, so for better results. Let's insert the pin, obviously hold the phone like this. So I'm scraping this side first and taking out the needle. So, and then the bottom one. Again, try to do it several times. Again, make sure you stay near this edge. Also, don't try to go over like this in circle, because there is some small space here, but it's very tiny, and you tend to do this yeah, you might actually damage the pins again. So the best to do is only stick to these sides, and you will get 99% of the stuff out anyway. Then after done with that needle, again we can take our brush or blower and again brush it out for better results. So this is how you clean the charger port on these phones. If this was helpful, make sure to hit the like button. See you!